Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into how artificial intelligence is reshaping our everyday lives. You might not realize it, but AI is already everywhere, subtly making things easier, faster, and even cooler. So let's break down some everyday activities where AI is flexing its muscles. First up, let's talk about your morning routine. Remember the days when you had to set your alarm clock manually? Now, smart assistants like Google Home or Amazon Alexa are handling that for you. They can wake you up, adjust your thermostat, and even start your coffee maker. It's like having a personal assistant right in your bedroom. Next, commuting to work or school. If you're using apps like Google Maps or Waze, you're benefiting from AI. These apps analyze real-time traffic data to give you the best routes, saving you time and reducing stress. And for those using public transport, AI helps in predicting the arrival times more accurately. Now, let's move on to shopping. Online shopping platforms like Amazon use AI to recommend products based on your browsing history and purchase patterns. Ever wondered how Netflix knows what shows you might like? Yep, that's AI too, curating content based on your viewing habits. AI is also revolutionizing healthcare. From scheduling appointments through chatbots to advanced diagnostic tools, AI is making healthcare more efficient and accessible. Wearable devices like smartwatches monitor your health stats and even alert you to potential issues before they become serious. Let's not forget about security. AI-powered home security systems can recognize faces and differentiate between a family member and an intruder. They can even alert you about suspicious activities, providing an extra layer of safety. Lastly, AI in entertainment. Music services like Spotify use AI to create personalized playlists. Video games are using AI to create more realistic environments and smarter NPCs. The way we consume media and entertain ourselves is being transformed, making everything more immersive and enjoyable. So there you have it. AI is no longer a thing of the future. It's here, seamlessly integrating into our daily life. From waking up in the morning to winding down at night, AI is making our lives easier, more efficient, and a whole lot more interesting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Support at TechCare.